Hello, in this video I will teach you how to make a backup of your Windows drivers using the Double Driver software and use it. Click on this link to download. Then enter the download folder and run the software. The software is portable and you don't need to install it. Click on the Scan Current System button. If you want to select all drivers, select all from this section. Click the Backup Now button. Now, according to the image, specify the destination folder to save the backup as you wish. Now wait for the backup to complete. It is better to take a look at the backup files to check. Now I have to show you how to restore your backups. To restore the location of the backup files, enter the software. Tick the drivers you want to restore and click to start the restore process. The restoration is in progress and follow the wizards that may appear for you according to the image to install the drivers so that the work is completed successfully.